They said cracking your knuckles gives you arthritis, but that's completely wrong. For decades, people thought that popping sound was your bones grinding, that you were somehow damaging your joints. In reality, the sound comes from tiny gas bubbles inside the fluid that cushions your joints. When you stretch or pull your fingers, pressure drops, and those bubbles collapse in a quick pop. And the best part? Studies show that cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. It might annoy people, but it won't hurt you. So next time someone tells you to stop cracking your knuckles, just tell them it's science.